jumping up and down. Right, anyway, let's continue. Okay, so now we got cot to the power 4. We're following that step, those steps there. So what are the steps? The steps are exponent law, square identity, multiply out. Square identity, multiply out again. Okay. Alright, so we need to write it as cot squared times cot squared. Again, you need to be very fast with this. This is just one question, maybe 2.2, 2.3 in the exam. And you can see it takes quite long to do. So, cot squared, so that's it. Exponent law, square identity to one factor only, which is cosec squared minus 1. But I'm not writing down the steps again, you can see it there. So it was exponent law, square identity, now multiply out. This seems to be a problem. Okay, so when you are multiplying out, if you want to keep the 4 over 3, if you do not want to multiply the 4 over 3, then you need to open up a bracket there and then multiply only cot times cosec squared, cot squared times minus 1. Okay, let me show you that way. Because maybe if there's a constant there, you're getting confused. So, let's do it this way here. So, what am I doing now? Multiplying cot squared times cosec squared. So that's cot squared 4 over 3, 4x over 3 times cosec squared 4x over 3. Okay. Then cot squared times minus 1 is minus cot squared. Okay, so there is my dx only 1. I haven't included the integrations. I haven't multiplied out completely. Okay. So here all I did was multiply first term and the second term. So now, some of you were having a problem. Here you are not sure how I got the 3 here, but there's it here. How did I get the 3 here and here? Or was it here? Sorry, here and here. It's an extra step if you do it this way. Okay, but I still need to separate this completely. Why must I separate it? Because it's totally different types here, you can see that. That's why I have to separate it. So now I have to separate this here, so I'm going to multiply out. So that will be 4 over 3 times the integral of cot squared 4x over 3 times cosec squared 4x over 3 dx. And then 4 over 3 times cot squared, that will be minus 4 over 3, and that is cot squared of 4x over 3 dx. So what did we do now? We multiplied out. We have another square here. Can you see that? We're at this stage there. We have a square, so you need to use your square identity. So that is minus 4 over 3. Cot squared can be written as cosec squared 4x over 3 minus 1
dx.
Okay. Now, you can multiply out again. You don't have to. Okay, let me do it a bit differently. So here at this stage, it is type A. It's clear that it's type A because it's multiplication. The derivative of cot is negative cosec squared. So, you let u equal to cot 4x over 3 du dx. The derivative of cot will be negative cosec squared 4x over 3 times the derivative of 4x over 3. Can you all see that? That's times 4 over 3. So what do we do? Simple, make dx the subject of the formula. So that's going to equal to du all divided by minus 4 over 3 cosec squared of 4x over 3. Now let me just write this out in one line first. Okay. So now, I'm going to use my substitution. This part here is type A. Only here will I substitute. I will replace cot with u. Right, so all I'm doing is replacing cot with u then. Okay. Replacing dx with du all divided by minus 4 over 3 cosec squared 4x over 3. Right, let's finish this one first and then we'll deal with this one here. So now what is happening here? You got 4 over 3. This is divided by minus 4 over 3. So if you invert and multiply, it will be minus 3 over 4. Cosec squared and cosec squared will cancel. So it's just u squared du. Now let me copy the other two terms here, which is minus 4 over 3. I chose not to multiply out. And I'm going to integrate everything in one line. Okay, here. These cancel, so we end up with just minus 1 there. Right, integrating u squared, that will be 2 plus 1, which is 3 over 3. Then I got my minus 4 over 3 here. I chose not to multiply out like that example. It's not going to make a difference. Now I'm integrating cosec squared. When you integrate cosec squared, what will it be? Minus cot 4 over 3x all divided by 4 over 3 minus, I'm integrating 1 with respect to x, which is x plus c. Now let me just substitute back. So this becomes minus 1 over 3. What was u? U was cot. This is minus 4 over 3. If I invert and multiply here, this will be minus 3 over 4 cot 4 over 3x minus x plus c. And obviously you would have done it that way. That means you have multiplied out the whole thing. Alright? So let me do that also. So that's minus 1 over 3 cot cubed 4 over 3x minus 4 over 3 times minus 3 over 4. What will happen here? Cancel there, negative times negative. Positive. That is a positive cot 4 over 3x. Here, minus 4 over 3 multiplied by minus x, that will be plus 4 over 3x plus c. You got that? I just changed along the way, but